Alright, I'm gonna roll and pull this fender to match the other side, hopefully. Do a little time lapse for you. It matches the other side. It's got this little whoop-de-dip. And I think we just gotta hammer this flat like the other side. But, you know, I'm within a 1/16 of an inch. This side looks a little sharper because I think I hammered it flat. But the little dips there, you know, we'll see what happens when I cut the quarters. See what all of this does. Definitely don't have time to be working on this thing, but I try to sneak in as much time as I can. You know, life has changed. This car means nothing, but I will try slowly but surely get her done. Yeah, I have the front fenders coming, I hope. They said 1 to 3 week lead time. I don't know. I need to square away these tail lights, and you know, you should be ready to drive. The front end's wired up because it's already illegal enough. I only have headlights. I don't need turn signals. I just need brake lights to work, and that's it. Because I don't even feel like wiring in turn signals. I'll just do a little arm out the window action if they really want me to signal. This is Florida. I'll fit right in. That's it for today. I'm gonna clean up. I got dinner here in a second. So, you know, a little more room. Still not enough, but one day we will have clearance.